Hey everyone! Have you ever been frustrated trying to take notes while learning from online tutorials or educational videos? I know I have. When I started learning coding, I would spend hours taking notes for just a few minutes of video, and then still struggle to retain the information. But then I discovered ChatGPT, and it completely transformed my note-taking and learning experience. As a beginner in coding, I often found myself getting stuck on basic concepts and terms. I would spend hours searching online for explanations, trying to understand what a return statement or iteration meant. And even when I did find an explanation, it often left me feeling even more confused than before. And when I tried to take notes, I would spend hours revising them, trying to make sense of everything. It was a frustrating and time-consuming process that made learning feel like a chore. But then I discovered ChatGPT, and it completely changed the game. With ChatGPT, I can quickly get accurate answers to basic questions like, what is a return statement? Or what is iteration? And the best part is, ChatGPT explains these concepts in a way that's easy to understand, using simple language and examples. Plus, ChatGPT can help me take notes more efficiently, saving me time and allowing me to focus on learning. If you want to take effective notes while learning, it's important to stay organized. Try to organize your notes by topic or subject to make them easier to review later. In my case, I usually take timestamp of the tutorial video that I want to watch. Better to find the tutorial that provide timestamp. If you don't find it on the description, try to find it on the comment section. And don't forget to review your notes frequently to reinforce learning and ensure that you're retaining the information. In my case, I use Obsidian to help me do that. If you want to know more, please leave a comment, and I will explain it in more detail in separated video. I hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to take effective notes while learning, and how ChatGPT can help make the process faster and easier. Remember to stay organized, review your notes frequently, and use tools to make learning more efficient, like in my case is ChatGPT. If you have any other tips or tricks for taking notes or using ChatGPT, please share them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.